Welcome to the channel Cars and Bikes World. Today we are exploring about the gangster car Mahindra Thar 2025 model. The Mahindra Thar 2025 model continues its legacy as an off-road champion, blending rugged capability with modern comforts and advanced technology. Designed to take on the toughest terrains, it features an aggressive and muscular stance with signature round LED headlamps, a 7-slot grille, and a sculpted bonnet that enhances its bold look. The high ground clearance, chunky fenders, and all-terrain tires make it a beast on and off the road, while its convertible soft top and hard top options provide versatility for different driving experiences. Under the hood, the 2025 Thar is powered by a choice of refined engines. The 2.2-litre M-Hawk diesel engine delivers an impressive 130 bhp and 320 Nm of torque, while the 2.0-litre M-Stallion turbo petrol engine churns out 150 bhp and 320 Nm of torque. These engines are paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth shifts and robust power delivery. Mahindra's 4x4 drivetrain with a shift-on fly transfer case ensures superior traction and stability, making it perfect for rock crawling, mud plugging, and dune bashing. The mechanical locking rear differential and electronic brake locking differential further enhance its capability, while the independent front suspension and multi-link rear suspension provide a balanced and comfortable ride. Inside, the 2025 Thar features a modern and functional cabin with improved ergonomics. The dashboard is equipped with a larger 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and Mahindra's connected car technology. The instrument cluster has a mix of analog and digital displays, providing real-time vehicle information. The steering wheel is now multifunctional with mounted controls for audio, cruise control, and hands-free calling. The front seats are well cushioned with premium upholstery, offering better lumbar support for long journeys. Rear seats are designed to maximize comfort, and the cabin is now more spacious than before. The air conditioning system is enhanced to perform better in extreme weather conditions, and multiple USB ports, wireless charging, and a premium sound system add to the convenience. Safety has been a key focus in the 2025 Thar, with upgrades that ensure a more secure driving experience. The SUV comes equipped with multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, hill hold and hill descent control, electronic stability control, a roll cage, and ISOFIX child seat anchors. The new version also gets advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, with features like lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking. A rear view camera, parking sensors, and tire pressure monitoring system further enhance safety on and off the road. The body structure has been reinforced to comply with global crash test standards, making it one of the safest off-roaders in its segment. The Mahindra Thar 2025 model offers multiple driving modes, including Eco, Normal, and Off-road, allowing drivers to adjust the power delivery and traction settings based on the terrain. The off-road oriented approach and departure angles, along with water wading capability, ensure that the Thar can handle deep rivers and steep inclines with ease. The improved approach angle of 41.8 degrees, breakover angle of 27 degrees, and departure angle of 36.8 degrees make it highly efficient in extreme conditions. The SUV also features a new electric power steering system that makes handling more precise, reducing driver fatigue on long journeys. Mahindra offers various customization options for the 2025 Thar, with a range of accessories including roof racks, auxiliary lights, side steps, and additional underbody protection. The color options have also been expanded, including dual-tone shades and matte finishes for a more premium appeal. The alloy wheels now come in different designs, enhancing the SUV's overall aesthetic. Fuel efficiency has been optimized, with the diesel variant offering around 15 km/L and the petrol version providing approximately 12 km/L, making it more practical for daily use. The fuel tank capacity remains at 57 liters, ensuring long drives without frequent refueling stops. The automatic variant is tuned for smoother city driving, while the manual transmission caters to enthusiasts who prefer greater control over gear shifts. Mahindra has priced the 2025 Thar competitively, ensuring it remains an attractive option for adventure seekers and urban users alike. With its combination of power, technology, comfort, and safety, the new Thar solidifies its position as the ultimate lifestyle SUV in India and other global markets.